Hello and welcome everyone to this video tutorial series of how to build an app with IBM Digital App Builder. So basically this course is focused on building an app with the minimal coding required using the IBM Digital App Builder. This tool is basically a desktop based tool which allows you to create apps in the two different platforms. You can either go for an Ionic Angular app or a React Native app. So for this tutorial we'll be picking up the React Native and we'll be building a health tracking app. So we'll learn more about this framework as we go through the video series. So talking about the app that we are going to build, so our app will be a health tracker. So let me take you to the wireframe of the app. So this will be the app that we will be building. So the app will basically have a health tracking mechanism. It will have a different number of pages. The first page that we're talking about is the VR page. It will help you to scan your food items or take a pictures of them and then get the caloric information. Once you get the caloric information from those, you can add those to your meal plans. Now, the home page will be your meal plan, which will be a list of items of the food items that you're going to eat. And then, in addition to that, we'll also have a health bot. The health bot will actually enable the users to take the health advice from the bot. So in the next video sections, we'll learn how to build this app using the minimal code that is required.